Hello, everybody. We have a 1973 Camaro. There's about 50 miles on this car since the complete nut and bolt build from scratch. Under the hood's a 489 big block making 550 horsepower. There's air conditioning. There's a 5-speed. There's four-wheel disc brakes. There's a 373 posi, full frame off build 50 miles ago. Go to volocars.com. And that's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's sharp. This guy builds Camaros out on the West Coast and does excellent work. I'm looking at absolutely straight, clean metal with a beautiful polished finish. The black stripes you see, they're a flat black. They're actually a decal. All this is just polished smooth and glossy. They left the emblems off the fender, all just nice, clean, all the way to the very bottom. You got sport mirrors, got this long door, all square, flush, no issues. Jams all repainted. Oh, that shuts nice. The seals, weather strips all replaced. The roof, the quarters, all the way down underneath, all smooth, shiny. Has the three-piece tall spoiler. All looking real nice, all painted fresh, shiny. If you like new things, this thing's new. You see how nice all of that is as well. I notice there's one little dent, not a chip, but a little dent right there. I don't know if the dent guy can get to that or not. Jams all painted. So looking really sharp, very smooth, glossy, shiny orange paint. There's a hairline scratch. Looks like an eyelash laying there. It's actually a BMW color called Flame Orange. Nice bright orange on the car. The glass has been replaced. What little bit of trim there is, like the moldings, has been replaced. And the split bumpers and the bezels has halogen headlights. The grille looks new, the emblem. So everything up front here looks real nice and fresh and clean. Sitting on some 18-inch polished torque thrust wheels. You can see they're very wide, especially in the back. They're extra, extra wide. Just a good looking car. It's got the muscle stance, really sharp. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more great stuff to show you, even a leather interior. See how the trunk looks. Boy, that opens up pretty quickly. All painted, of course, because it was all taken apart, all looking nice. New weather strips, looks like new taillight housings, new wiring harness, all clean metal, painted with a nice durable black paint. Like I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. A lot of great cars, a lot of fun stuff on there. Looks like the latches were out and replaced, and the jams are painted real nice. All new interior. The whole door panel, top to bottom, the armrest, the window crank, all looks like new. The whole dash area looks new. It has electric slide, vintage air, heat, and AC controls. New vents, new instruments. Let me light those up for you real quick. Yeah, look at that. 56 miles on the car since it's been redone. Got a tachometer with a clock. All new, all fresh, all clean. Nice kick panels, got blue interior lights. He puts in a nice like gray carpet. I like that, a little different, looks nice. Nice clean console. There's this filler panel I've never seen before. There's a suede boot with a 5-speed shifter. Console's new. See, as promised, leather upholstery. Their cushions are all new, and that's genuine leather upholstery wrapped around them. Even the backs of the seats are leather. Same carpet and mats in the back. We got all new seat belts. Back seat is also new leather. The side panels are plastic. They look like they've been replaced. The rear shelf is replaced. And then the headliner's been replaced. LED dome light. The mirror is new. It has a Momo steering wheel. You'll see those in like sports cars, foreign sports cars. So yeah, really nice clean interior. Brand new. So yeah, that started as a 454, and I think he says a 489 cubic inch big block now. It has some big port aluminum heads, a big aluminum Edelbrock intake with a dual feed Holley carb hiding underneath there with nice fittings and lines. In the back is an HEI ignition system. Some nice bright chrome valve covers, nice coated headers. The engine bay is all nice and clean. The modern heat and AC system's a lot more compact. The hoses run behind the fenders. Got a chrome panel over the new aluminum radiator. It has dual electric fans. It has the polished overflow. We got new horns up front. So this is all new. You got the polished, it's a CVF system, front runner system they call it, with billet brackets, billet pulleys with 8 ribs to hold the serpentine belt in place, chrome alternator, billet bracket, chrome power steering box and the lines and the rag joint, all that's replaced. All nice clean metal, all painted up. New power brake system has a cadmium plated booster. All new wiring throughout the car. All painted up, all looks nice. So Michael's going to show you how this thing runs. I was told 550 horsepower. I will see you in a few minutes or maybe a few seconds with that kind of power.
Everybody, got a little street beast here in this Camaro. I'm liking it. The second I started it up, holy cow, am I excited for this test drive. It's got a 489 under the hood. It's basically a tweaked out 454 that's done up right with like aluminum heads, aluminum intake, redone ignition, and then it's got a stainless steel exhaust system going all the way back. Got the X pipe in there. This thing sounds fantastic. Really loving it. Started right up nice and easy. Only 55 miles, 57 miles it says on the odometer right now on this build. So she's fresh, and this one wants to just run. Our shop went over the car, tied up a couple loose ends on it. Between service and detail, we only had a $2,000 bill that we spent on it. So yeah, just a really great car. Power steering on this one, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Air conditioning is on and running. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speeds without an issue. Nice. I was saying it's got power steering on here, power forward, power disc brakes. It's got the air conditioning was on for that pass right there. And this steering, I gotta show you guys, it is so tight. This is like one of the tightest cars that I've driven as far as steering goes. Absolutely on rails and just an absolutely great time to drive. And again, thank God we got that air today because it's about 90-some degrees over here. So yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. It's a great experience. No complaints at all. And check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So underneath this car, you guessed it, brand new. It's spotless under there. Everything was removed from under this car. All the steering and suspension was rebuilt or replaced. It's all new. Looks like he has red polyurethane bushings, even the body bushings on the subframe. Stainless steel exhaust with the X pipe, and it has Flowmaster mufflers all installed very nicely. The whole fuel system's new, the lines, brake lines. It's a Willwood four-wheel disc brake system now. And it's all detailed under there. It's all spotless. You look up at the motor, it has a Moroso anodized extra capacity oil pan. I'm pretty sure I've seen a high torque starter underneath there. It's the Tremec 5-speed automatic, so the clutch and all the shift linkage, all the related parts is new. The drive shaft is rebuilt. 373 posi gears in the back. The floors are all clean metal. Everything's painted up real nicely. Yeah, again, a new 1973 Camaro with 500 plus horsepower under the hood, a stick shift, a posi, brakes, air, leather. What more do you want? You want to go to volocars.com where you can talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Camaro delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.